In this lesson you will be learning about how to view sales and payment reports using Entution Sales and Invoicing solution. Monitoring how your business performs will take you a long way when making business decisions for the future. It will help you make the right decisions at the best times and ensure continuity of your business. The Entution solution makes it easier for you by providing a range of simple, yet powerful reports for your business. Let us get started. You can open the reporting tool by simply clicking on the Reports tile on your home page. Once the reporting tool is open, you can find a set of standard reports listed down on this log. To continue this lesson, let us choose a report from the list. Now you can select a time period for the report, for instance, daily, weekly or monthly, etc. Entution Reporting Tool also allows you to select a custom date range for your convenience. It is now all set to go. This report will be a detailed report, but you have the flexibility of filtering the report according to your preference. In addition, you may also create and save your own report templates, and even provide access to other users so they can also use them. Another cool feature of Entution's reporting tool is that it lets you print or even export each report in the form of spreadsheets or PDFs. So now you know how to view sales and invoicing related reports using the Entution Sales and Invoicing solution. Amazing work! It's now time to gear up for the final challenge.